Da dun da dun da dun da dun da dun 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 dun. What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to A La Carte with Alex, where I'm helping you cook up quick, easy, and delicious food one plate at a time. And with the new launch of Suicide Squad, King Shark making his big film debut, I decided, you know, let's take a look at a drink that I've enjoyed for, gosh, I don't even know how many years. So I first had this at Joe's Crab Shack, and it was delicious. I fell in love with it right away. It had this cool look to it. It was super tasty, a little sweet, but not too sweet, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. So today, we're going to be making a shark bite. So, let's get cooking. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a nice cool glass. This one's got some bubbles built into it, so it's perfect for a watery theme. Then we're going to go ahead and top that with ice, and we're going to top that ice with 1 ounce of sweet and sour. Now, if you haven't made your own sweet and sour at home, it's super easy. It's 1 part simple syrup, 1 part lemon juice, and 1 part lime juice. Now we're going to take that, we're going to add that in, and then we're going to do a shot of vodka, about 1 ounce vodka, and we're going to add 1 ounce of light rum, or coconut rum, whichever you prefer. And then to give it that nice blue, like oceany kind of color, that's where our blue curacao is going to come in. So we're going to add 1 ounce of that. So we're going to give that a nice stir to make sure that blue gets all the way through. And then we can't forget our most important part.
That's a 20-footer. 25.
That's right, an Agave. So now comes, after our shark is in the water, we're going to add in our grenadine, and we're going to kind of drizzle it over the top, and that's going to give us that cool shark bite kind of effect. So blood in the water is essentially what we're going for, so that's what we're going to use our grenadine for. We're going to go ahead and top that right in, and you're going to get that nice murky kind of color to it. And there you go. That's how simple this drink is. Super quick, super tasty. It's got a nice tropical feel to it. It's not too sweet, it's not too bitter. It's got a nice little punch to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you guys enjoyed Suicide Squad. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have had this drink before, if you guys like it. Let me know your favorite moments from the show. No spoilers for anybody else. But there you go. And what's kind of cool with this drink too is that once you stir it up, it creates this kind of purpley color to it because you're mixing the blue and the red together. And you can use this for a kind of like another kind of cosmic-y kind of drink here, as you can kind of see. But it's got this cool, like, deep purple color to it that I just love once it's all mixed together. And give it a little sip. Oh, so tasty. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe so you're never missing out. Hit that bell and leave a comment down below. But I hope you guys are staying full and staying healthy. Bye, guys.